After you've been using LumaFusion for a while, you may find that you have projects on your iPad that no longer need to be there, projects you're done with, but you don't want to delete them. Well, fortunately, LumaFusion has a way to archive a project, move it off to another device, and then if you ever want to bring it back into LumaFusion to continue editing it, you can. To do that, simply select the project that you want to archive, and then in the lower right corner, tap the Share button, and then tap on LumaFusion Project Package. And from here, you can choose a destination for the archive. Do you want to save it to a cloud storage drive like iCloud or Google Photos or Dropbox? Do you want to airdrop it to another system in your network? Do you want to save it to a connected drive? Do you want to save it internally inside of the iPad itself? There's a lot of options here. I'm going to go ahead and choose iCloud Drive. And the next choice is to choose what media I'm going to copy. Do I want to use full original media or trimmed media? The full original media means the entire original clip will be copied into the archive. So if you had a video clip that was 1 minute long, but you only used 5 seconds of it, the entire 1 minute will be copied over. The other option, trimmed, will actually trim that down to give you just the media that you need, plus a couple of seconds for handles, so you will be able to fine-tune the edit later if needed. You'll see an estimated file size at the bottom under Export Info, and then to archive it, simply tap the Share button. Give it a name, and off it goes. This will take a few minutes or longer, depending on the size of your project, and once the archive is created, in this case, since I saved it to iCloud Drive, it'll prompt me to ask exactly where in iCloud Drive I want to save it. At that point, I could leave it on iCloud or move it to somewhere else, and if at any time I decide I want to restore the project, the way I do that is to simply tap on the Import button. In this case, I'll go to iCloud Drive, choose the LumaFusion archives where I moved it to, and there it is. Tap on the project that you want to bring in, and that's all there is to it. LumaFusion will download and then import the project. Now, the other thing you can do in the import dialog is import projects that are backups. Remember, LumaFusion will save backups for you periodically, so if you ever find that you've messed up a project and you want to restore to an earlier version, or you've accidentally deleted a project, you can restore from a backup in here as well. To import a backup, tap on the same Import button, and then tap on iCloud Drive, which will actually open the file browser where you can get to anything on your iPad. Go into the LumaFusion folder, Project Backups, and there they are. You can simply scroll through to find the one you want, or you can search for it. Remember earlier I deleted that one called Awesome, so I'll find that and tap on one of those. And that's all there is to it. That's how easy it is to recover a deleted project or to restore from an archive.